How to delete all your interaction on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete all your likes, history and comments you have ever shared on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, click on those three lines up there, click on the setting icon beside the search icon, scroll down, click on your time on Facebook, click on see time, click on see activity log, and here scroll down and click on manage interaction. Now here they're gonna give you all your interaction, likes and comments and everything. All you need to do is select it and click on trash and done. And I don't have anything here because it's a new Facebook. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.